Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can apply for the University of Genova for your masters. First you have to search for apply at Unige and you have to find this link apply.unige. Then here is the description how you can apply for the mentioned. First you have to click on register and you can proceed with the language, which is English. Then you have to sign up, click on the sign up button, and here you can just give your details: last name, first name, date of birth, your gender, birthplace, the country. For the Italian fiscal code, you can generate it by creating account in University, or you can skip from here. You can it's not mandatory here, you have to fill it or not. Then you can proceed with the mobile number, your the country that you are right now, because you will need that. Then you will your email address, and also you have to retype it to confirm your email. Then you have to press on the I'm not a robot and save it so that you can generate the account, and an email will come to your email address having your username and the password. Then you have to go to the first click on this link, which will be your username and password, and you have to enter your username and password. They will be given into your email address. The username, which will be your matricular number. For example, here it is 5468926. Then you have to enter the password, and for the incorrect password and username. I entered the wrong username. You have to be careful about your username and the password that will be given into your email address. So you can enter it and then press the login, so that you will be logged in where you can take the admission. So you can click on submit new. So here you have to select your course, which course you want: engineering, economics, architecture, mathematical. Here you can click on mathematical for the computer science, and computer science also have different fields. By clicking on curriculum you can see. So here that will be the artificial. I just want to click. Don't click on submit right now because you have to fill all those tabs. Then you can go on profile and your name and everything will be there. Then you can have the birth details and the address tab. You can put your full address where you live, and the country that you are in, which will be foreign, not Italy. And then you have to put the province, which will be your country: Afghanistan, anywhere. Then the postal code is not mandatory, and your house number. Then for the city, which can be Baglan, Kabul, or any other. Okay, then for your contacts, you can enter your contact number, phone number, or it is already given. Then after that you have to go to the education and put your high school diploma, the type of diploma, and for example here you can just say the type of diploma should be the foreign high school diploma, the second one. Then the state or country, in which country it was given: Afghanistan, Pakistan, anywhere. Then the final school year, which will be the year that you have been passed out, you have done with your school, 2011 or 2015, 14. Then you have to put your bachelor's. If you have the degree, you can click on to have a degree. Then foreign degree, which will not be Italian, so you have to put the foreign degree, and then the country, the university, and course of study. You have to put the name of the country that you have given. For example, I put here the Pakistan, and the other will be put by default, and then the date of the achievement. When did you achieve this degree? 12th of 12 2015. Then the final mark impacts, it was out of 4, and that would 3 point something, for example. The max achievement would be 4 according to the Pakistan. So if you have another degree, you can click on add degree. If not, you can proceed with the next tab, which will be your ID document, passport, then the issue date of your passport, when it was issued to you. Let me just write randomly 1 then the year 2019, and then for the expiration date, you have to be it should be correct according to your own passport. Then the number, your passport number, what it will be, you have to fill it completely. Then the front and back picture. The front would be the page where all the information are there, your name, surname, date of birth, these things. And the back would be your cover, the cover which only written your country name, and then photo ID, which will be your photo. Then after that, you can go through the documents. Don't forget, if it was red, you have to be careful about that. It means it's not complete. So your CV, transcript, which would be the transcript of your bachelor's. Further title, if you have another degrees, you can put your diploma of a school and transcript. The English certificate, language certification would be your TOEFL, IELTS, or you can put your medium of instruction. You're allowed to put the medium of instruction also. Then the syllabus, as you have the syllabus of your field in respected university, you can download it from the websites, or you can do it yourself and write down the main subjects. Then your bachelor's degree, which would be the diploma. So then the documents is done. You can go for further information, which means for example, here you have the CGPA or cumulative grade point average, which would be, for example, 3.01 out of 4. And you can have your link of Skype if you have. So for the declaration, there would be only 2 checkboxes. You can click on it, and you see that everything is gray, and only one is red because I have not completed. Then you can click on submit. In my case, I cannot because I didn't upload the photo ID. And one thing else that you can apply in another course also. By submitting this, you can be forwarded to that page. You can apply for another course. Okay, thank you for your for watching this video. I hope it can help.